friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to share a few things with you regarding NPTEL courses. You might have known about NPTEL, the courses offered by NPTEL, different courses offered by the NPTEL. So one among them is big data computing. You all know that I'm uploading few videos on Hadoop and big data in the past. So what I thought is, why shouldn't I share a few things about this course with you, so that if you are really interested, you can just enroll to this course and you can get a certificate from the NPTEL. That certificate will be having a lot of value. It will be an add-on for your resume whenever you face any technical interviews, any placement interviews and all. So it is just my suggestion for you, friends. If you are if you are interested to do any certifications, NPTEL is one among them. Go ahead and just whatever the courses you like, you just go ahead, register and write the examinations and get the certifications. So in this video, what I'm trying to do is, I just want to give some highlights of this course, this big data computing. Why only big data computing I have chosen is, as I said, that I am doing some videos on Hadoop and big data from past 1 month. So I thought of sharing few things about this course. Okay, so let's start. I'll be giving some highlights of this course. Let's start the session. So this course is offered by NPTEL, as you know, and the resource person for this course is Professor Rajiv Mishra from IIT Patna. And the course is already started. Actually, it started on 14th September, but still the enrollments are open. The deadline for enrollment is 21st September. 3 more days are left over. You can, if you are really interested, you can just go and enroll for this course. And the course end date is 6th November. The entire course is going to end on 6th November. The total duration, if you observe, is 8-week course. So the examination date is on 20th December 2020. And if you really like this course, if after enrolling to this course, you'll be listening to the videos and all. If you really, if you really feel like getting some certificate from the NPTEL, at the time you can register to this course by paying some amount, around 1000 rupees you need to pay to get registered to this course. The registrations are not yet open. The registrations will be open around October 15th, in the middle of the October till November 15th likewise. So enrollment is different and registration is different, friends. To get enrolled, you don't need to pay anything. But to get registered, you need to pay 1000 rupees for this course. Meaning, if you are registering to this course, means you are going to write an exam. If you qualify in that exam, you are going to get a certificate from the NPTEL. Okay. So as I said, the enrollment is doesn't end. The enrollment is still open for you. So if you are really interested in this subject, just go ahead, enroll for this. And later, if you really feel like registering to this course, then you can take appropriate decision at later some point. Okay. So now what I'll be doing now is, I'll be giving some information about the examination. Not examination, like what is the minimum criteria to get the certificate. If I write this exam, what is the minimum criteria? What is the qualifying mark, minimum mark to get a certificate from NPTEL? That I'm going to discuss now. Give me a second. I just open this. Yeah. If you enroll to this course, you just get a page like this. This is a main page for your course, enrollment, big data computing course. I've enrolled to this course. I also enrolled to this course, and he is the Professor Rajiv Mishra, who is going to handle this course in the semester. And as I said, it's an 8-week course. Each week they are going to discuss these topics. They have dumped that data also in this page. You can go through it whenever you get some free time. About the certificate and all, those details will also be mentioned in the specific course pages. You can go to that course page and you can view all the details. Everything will be available in the NPTEL site itself. Okay. So in order to get a certificate, if you want to, after writing the exam, if you want to get a certificate, the minimum mark you need to get, the minimum marks are 40. If you score 40 marks for 100, out of 100 if you get 40 marks, then you will be getting a certificate. That 40 also they have distributed like in assignments every week. As I said that there are this week, the course duration of this course is 8 weeks. They will be giving 1 assignment per week, meaning 8 assignments will be doing. In those 8 assignments, the best 6 assignments they will consider. Among that, they will be taking 25% of the marks. Assignment marks will be 25% and the final exam marks will be 75%. Final exam, you need to go to the centers, the NPTEL centers, and you have to write the exam. Physically, you have to go and you have to attend to the exam. But assignments, you can do it by sitting in your home and all. So assignment marks is for 25 and the main exam is for 75. 75 plus 25. The minimum mark to be scored in assignment is 10 and the minimum mark to be scored in my main exam is 30. So 30 plus 10 is equals to 40. So there is a like you need to score in two things. You have to score minimum mark in the assignment as well as in the main exam. If you score less than 10 in assignment and if you score like 40 or 50 in the main exam, but at the time still you won't receive any certificate because the minimum mark needs to be maintained in each category, in the assignment category as well as in the exam category. Okay, so the qualifying mark is 40 marks, 10 plus 30. 10 should be from the assignment and 30 should be from the main exam. Main exam you will be taking by physically going to the NPTEL centers and you have to take that online exam. So that is a criteria to get a certificate. And I'll be showing the certificate type. I'll be showing you the certificate also, how the certificate looks and all. Here there are different types of certificates the NPTEL is generating. And again, those are all e-certificates only. We won't get any hard copies, hard certificates and all. Only e-certificates they will be providing. So I'll be showing certificates, different certificates provided by the NPTEL. Yeah. So if you see, there is a this is a certificate. The certificate will be like this. Okay. So there will be a name, our name will be written, and to which subject we got registered, to which course we got registered, that will be written here, and how much marks we have scored, and what are our assignment score as well as our final exam score. Everything will be written. As well as one more thing is also there. How many members in this course got certified in that particular semester? That count also they will be given. All this information will be embedded in your NPTEL certificate and your photo along with your photo again. See, again, certification types depends on your score. How much you score, depending on that score, you'll be getting the different kinds of certificates. If you score less than 40, I said that you won't get any certificates. It is it's a fail. It's not a pass mark, it's a fail. And if your score is in between 40 to 59, you'll be getting a certificate with just completion, course completion certificate you'll be getting. If your mark is greater than or equals to 60, you'll be getting a special tag on your certificate, that is elite. Elite tag you'll be getting. If you see here, this ma'am has scored around 77 marks. So only she got the elite tag here, elite. As well as if you score the marks in between 75 to 89, with elite you will also be getting the silver tag. This ma'am has secured 77%, so only she got this silver tag was this silver tag along with this elite. Both will be available. I'll show one more certificate with only elite so that you'll get a clarity. If you see this certificate, this ma'am got only 69%. This ma'am got 69%, so she got only elite. She didn't get any silver tags or something else. Similarly, if your score is greater than 90, if you score greater than or equals to 90 marks, then you'll be getting elite as well as gold badge you'll be getting. I'll be showing that also to you. Yeah, see, this ma'am has scored 90%. She got elite as well as gold tag. Both will be printed on your certificate. And also, when you score more than 90%, you will be one of the topper of that course. You'll be one of the topper of the course. This thing will also be printed on your certificate. So these are the different kinds of certificate. Based on your score, you'll get different kinds of certificate. This will be again an add-on to your resume. Okay, students. So one more thing I need to specify here, that is few courses will offer FDP certificates also. Few courses will offer FDP certificates. The FDP certificates will be like this, offered by NPTEL, Faculty Development Program. If it is a 4-week course, then half-week FDP certificate will be getting. If it is an 8-week course, 1 week, full 1 week FDP, it will consider as 1 week FDP. If it's a 12-week course, then it will be considered as 1.5 week FDP certificate. Likewise, you can opt for FDP certificates also. If you opt for FDP certificates, then you need to pay 100 rupees extra. Apart from the 1000 rupees registration fee plus 100 you need to pay for this FDP certificate also. Okay, friends. So many things I've shared to you in this video. If you have any doubts regarding the registration process or enrollment process or about the certification criteria or any other doubts in this NPTEL course, you can just put it in the comment box so that I'll be giving replies to your comments. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends. And we'll meet you in the next video, and in the next upcoming videos I'll be dealing with all the assignment. I'll be sharing the assignment videos of this course. As I enroll to this course, I'll be submitting the assignment. I will discuss those assignment questions also. Every week I'll be uploading one such video regarding the assignments. So if you are really interested to do this course, you can watch those videos also. So catch you in the next week in the next video. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.